Welcome to Mystic Dragonfly Garden. We are still working in this area that consists of Dragonfly Lane, Rose Ridge, and the island. So the last thing to do in this area before we get the mulch down is I'm going to spread permatile like candy, like I've been told, spread it like candy. And I'm going to go ahead and fertilize the plants in this area. I'm going to see what I've got. I know I have a whole bag of polytone, which can be used for the evergreens, and I may have some plant tone, and I'm pretty sure I have some rose tone, but I'm going to use what I have. I'm going to go ahead and get this area fertilized, spread permateal like candy, and then I'm going to get the mulch down, and this section of the garden will be finished, and all we have to do is wait and watch for it to wake up. So what I was able to find is holly tone and plant tone. Apparently I used all my rose tone. So this is what we've got. So this is what we are going to fertilize with. We have got the fertilizer down, we have got the permateal down, and this project is almost finished. This area is a lot of work early on in the spring, but once everything fills in, the only work really in this area is keeping this gravel walkway cleared from weeds. And actually, if we would just put down some more gravel, make it thicker, that would really help. So that is on the list to do this year. But I am so excited. I'm going to get the mulch down, and this area will be ready for spring. I spy something yellow. Look at my overachieving daffodils. Talk about some early bloomers. I always love these because they are the first to pop up out of the ground, and they bloom a pretty good while. They'll probably bloom for about 2 weeks or so, just when everything else is popping up and all the other daffodils are getting ready to bloom. These will start fading. There used to be 5 patches. Actually, there used to be 7 in here. I think I've divided them. I need to divide them up again and spread them out, because at one time they made a really nice hedge of daffodils right through here. Welcome. Glad you could join us today. This area has several different beds in it. So there's Dragonfly Lane, there's Rose Ridge, and what I like to call the island. They have the fertilizer down, they have permateal spread like candy to help with the vole pressure, and now it's mulched. So now we just wait for everything to wake up and make its grand appearance for the spring. As always, thank you for watching, and for the love of dirt, get outside, enjoy what nature has to offer. Till next time.